apply just on the part of this. And then now here for this one for 30 seconds under LED lights. Oh, I really want to do one of the fusion ink nails though. We can do one of the fusion ink nails. They're going to turn out really cool. We can do that on one of the fusion ink nails. Do you want to see one of the fusion inks too? I really want to do that. Let me shape one of the nails. In the meantime, I'm waiting for that one to be here for me. I'm shaping your coffin for you. This is like the same length. Okay, good. Sorry, I used one of your nails.
She used a white bottle.
Yeah, if you have a white bottle, Chantella, make sure what you need to do is cure for 60 seconds. If you don't feel it's dry, you need to cure for 90 seconds. You know why? Because the reason is maybe the lamp, it wasn't cure strong enough. So we just need to cure a little bit extra. So I have one nails prepared for the fusion ink. Cure this one. And I'm not worried about all the tacky layer. I'm gonna get on this one right there. I just have a part diagnose of this one. You see how it's come off? It's only come off to where I applied my gel. So in Stella, I'm using the Premium's iHo right there. So now we are going to using a same transfer foil, and I'm gonna drop one drop or if you don't want to do that, I can draw it. Let me draw it with the gel painting so it looks really a good effects of that. And let me using, it's a lot when you see me doing, hold on, with this gold precision gel painting. I mean gel painting with precision brush, but today I'm gonna using this. Just because it gets thicker. And you can do a lot of different veins with this. This is really cool and fun for all of you who doing the gel polish. I did it in purpose of getting a little bit thicker gel and just give it wiggles instead of doing a straight line to make it look like a more natural look. You can do a difference like sorry, I just cleaned my brush for just a second. And you can also doing the same thing like this with your blossom gel. Give it a little bit of the... Great. All right. You can add more if you want to. Okay, let's cure this one for our flash cure 30 seconds. I still want to add some glitter on it, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. And before that, I want to add maybe something on it. Maybe that. See? Or like United States. Okay, I'm going to do something. Should we do this, United States of America? Or we can using that. Okay. Like that, president. Chantella, you see that how I using that? So using that. Your clients want, as I say earlier, for all of you who tuning in, we're doing a fun money nail today. If the clients like love the real money and they want to like a burn the real monies and put it on, absolutely they can. But if they tell you whatever you want to do, you don't want to wasting like $100 bills on it. Unless the clients want to pay $500 for the nails. Then it's covered that. Or they are... Oh, I'm just using $100 already. So I'm using a one then. One. And pot leaves. Can you get me that one? And I'm only using this one. I'm doing a whole holos gold. Oh. Hold on. Before that, I'll do this. There.
And for everyone, if you like anything that Nancy's using, you can go to glitzsuccessandsuch.com. Everything is there.
Oh, maybe I should do a green one. Should I do a green one? I like yellow too. Only need to do, oh, that one's super cute. It's because today we're doing a theme of like a green, like a money nails. So I'm gonna do this stick. But also this had like glow in the dark too, and neons. I like the neons a lot. I don't know, so neon is just really. So if you want like that, you don't want anything else. Let's see, I can use some of my picker to add some flake on it, like flaky foil. This should be able to pick it up from a tacky layer. But if you want to do the transfer foil, you have to using transfer foil gel, so then it's gonna transfers better for you.
Yep. And people are asking what happened if you want to really use like real money, or like to pick up like a broken piece of money somewhere and they want to use it. What do they do?
For the money, for the real money. Hold on. Do I miss something?
Let's just talk about it.
Oh, the real monies. How you doing the real monies? Really easy. You know how you can do it? Apply 1 coat of your transfer foil gel here and stick your money in there. It sticks really well. And then you put the condensed glue gels and the wet top coat on it. such a great question because the sticker will stick it for you, but the real money, you're gonna put one coat of transfer foil on it to give it a little bit of tacky and really sticky though. And it's gonna, maybe I should, but someone will send me $100, I will burn it for you. But do not. I'd rather you spend money to get some cool supply for your clients instead of burning. Maybe on my next top, I have a big tips. I want to burn the money for you. Just kidding. You just like a burn anything you want to. It's really cool. Okay, I don't know. Should we doing any glitter on it? Looks really cool to me. You like it? All right. So now we're gonna do a condensed glue gel and no wet top coat. And this nail will be done. Yep, so if you have a real papers like this dollars, you cut it and you burn it whatever part you want. And then using one coat of the transfer foil and apply cure for 30 seconds, and you get little small pieces of this real money, it will stick on that. So then it doesn't pop up at all. With the stickers, it's already stick it up, but you want to using the transfer foil when you're using a real money. Try that and you'll see amazing how it works. I almost burned it, so dollars. It's funny. I can get a pop from McDonald's for dollars or gas station. Here's your dollars right there. It's artificial dollars. And now we're gonna top coat with Snow White top coat. And floating on the top of condensed glue gel. Cure for 60 seconds and you are finishing with this nails. Before you cure, make sure you wipe it off first on the side, especially for all of you doing like any shape. You want to keep the shape, like say for instance, coffin, stiletto, almonds, keep nice shape. All right, so cure for 60 seconds.